Wouldn't want one flying right in, would we?
Quickshadow, I'm Chief Burns. Welcome to Griffin Rock. My only question is, why didn't you introduce yourself to us sooner?
Not that we mind your help with the rescue.
Sorry if I stepped on any toes. I was monitoring your town's cameras. When I saw the little girl get trapped, I had to act.
As you did when you saw the car go over the bridge.
It's what I do. I'm a solo agent, special ops, and used to working undercover, I'm afraid. I wanted to learn more about you all before I met you, even though Optimus said...
You know Optimus too? Why didn't he